Hi folks, my name is Dr. Dane here, and I'd like to talk to you about the Access Consciousness body processes. What the heck is a body process? There are specific ways of tapping into specific things you can use to contribute to people's bodies, yours or somebody else's. Let me give you a real simple example, one that you get in the beginning access classes, which is called cellular memory. What you do is you put your hands on, like let's say you have a pain or a scar or an injury, and you go cellular memory, point of creation, turn, point of creation, turn, point of creation, turn, and then just leave it there as long as it feels like there's anything going on, or maybe you won't even feel anything going on. And what that does is it undoes the trauma that a cell has experienced, because science tells us the cells repair themselves, but they keep repairing themselves in that traumatized mode, which is where scar tissue and adhesions and all that sort of stuff come from. Using this really simple body process, you can start to change it. Well, guess what? We got about 100 body processes at this point. There's some that are available in the Access Consciousness Foundation class. And then beyond that, we have a 3-day body class, which has another 50 processes in it. How do you do a body process? You ask, okay, body, what process would you like? What process do you require for whatever the person has going on? It's like each body is the one that heals itself. The being and body are the ones that do the healing. You're just giving them an energy that allows it to happen. We can't heal anybody else. Nobody can heal us. We can only heal ourselves. So this is not, oh, I'm going to heal you. This is, hey, let me give your body an energy you may not have thought about that may actually contribute what will allow your body to change this. So how do you do it? Well, you read the name of the body process. And if you get that's what the person's body wants, there's hand positions for every body process. And you put your hands in the position, you read the name of the process, you say the clearing statement, and then you just leave your hands there. Now, when I started, I had no idea if this stuff was running or not. I couldn't feel it. I didn't get chills. I didn't get tingles. So you don't have to. What I have to say is the other thing that the body processes do is they open up this sense of space. There's actually this stillness that occurs when you are present with your body without judgment, without point of view. And this stillness in conjunction with the gift that these body processes are, it shifts the whole space you have in being alive. And that stillness allows you to hear the whispers that your body uses to communicate, because our bodies don't yell. In fact, one of the reasons we have pain is because that's basically our body yelling at us, saying, hey, there's something you're not looking at. What is really available is for us to actually have such a sense of connection with our bodies, such a sense of communion, such a sense of space, and so much sense of there is nothing wrong, and I don't have to try to fix my body, I don't have to try to fix myself, but I do realize there are other things I would like to choose. And from that stillness that allows you to perceive the whispers of your body's communication, you can actually have such a communion and communication with it that you can ask it to change, and it will. And I've seen this with tens of thousands of people around the world. So, I warmly invite you to check out the Access Consciousness body processes. And remember this, what if you truly being you are the gift, the change, and the possibility this world requires? And what if you truly being the stillness and the space of you would allow to hear the whispers of your body that would allow to change everything that you've ever judged about it and everything about it that isn't working? See you in a body class soon. Bye.